In this video we're going to learn how to find the HCF and LCM of two or more numbers. HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiple. The highest common factor is the largest factor of all the numbers. So that means it's the largest number that will divide into all the numbers. The LCM is the smallest number that all numbers divide into. So that means it's the smallest multiple that they all have in common. Okay, so let's go over an example of finding the highest common factor of two numbers. So what are the steps we go to? Well, first we find the factors of all the numbers. In our case there'll be 2. And then we look at our lists and we take the largest number that appears in both lists. So here's the one we're going to do. We're going to find the highest common factor of 12 and 16. So first of all, we're going to find all the factors of 12. And remember, we're going to be systematic. So we've got 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, and 3 multiplied by 4. So now we're going to find all the factors of 16. 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8, and 4 multiplied by 4. Now the easiest thing to do is to go to the smallest number and work backwards. In this case it's quite easy, but if it was more complicated this would be the way to do it. So is 12 in this list? No, it isn't. So being systematic, we're going down to 6. Is 6 in this list? No, it isn't. So I'm going to go to our next one. Is 4 in this list? Yes, it is. So 4 is the highest common factor of 12 and 16. So now we're going to find the lowest common multiple of two numbers. The technique we're going to use here works if there are more numbers as well. So what are the steps? We start with the largest number. Do the other numbers divide into it? If yes, then that is the lowest common multiple. If no, find the largest number's next multiple and then check again. So same numbers, this time we're going to find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 16. We're going to start with the largest number. Does 12 go into 16? No, it doesn't. So then we've got to go on to the next the next multiple. So that's 16 add 16 is 32. Does 12 divide into 32? No, it doesn't. So we're going to go to the next multiple of 16. So we add on 16 and we get to 48. Does 12 go into 48? Yes, it does. So 48 must be the lowest common multiple of 12 and 16. Now in a later video we will see a more efficient way of finding the highest common factors and lowest common multiples, and it will do it at the same time. But this technique that we're using here will really give you an understanding of exactly what's going on. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Staying in field with Winfield.